What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial in our channel. If your Samsung laptop suddenly shows access denied in the C drive after an update, don't panic, your files are usually still safe. If you're trying to open your C on a Samsung laptop and suddenly get an access denied error, especially after a recent update, don't worry, it may look like your files are gone or something like is broken in Windows. But in most cases, your data is still here, and the problem is usually caused by permissions, security settings, or a system update change in access rules. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix this safely, starting with simple checks and moving step by step to deeper fixes only if needed. The goal is to restore access without risking your files, so let's start with the first thing you should check. Try opening C drive again to confirm its permission error. Look carefully for the message. If it says access denied, this usually means Windows is blocking access due to permissions, not a hardware failure. If you see a message asking for administrator rights, then your account may not have full control. This step helps you confirm that the issue is fixable through settings. Now, if not, let's move on to the second step, which is checking if you're using an administrator account. Just open Settings, then go to Accounts. Click your info and check what it says under your account name. If it says standard user, you won't have full access to your system files, and in that case, sign in with an administrator account if available. If your account already says administrator, then permissions may have been changed by the update. Now let's try opening with administrator rights. Just close File Explorer. Search for File Explorer in the Start menu. Right-click it, then choose one as administrator. Then try opening the C drive again. If it works, it confirms the issue is caused by restricted permissions, not missing data. And if the issue is still persistent, let's check and fix drive permissions. Just right-click on the C drive, then click Properties. Go to the Security tab, then select your username. Look at the permissions below. Make sure full control is allowed, and if it's not, click Edit, then enable full control and apply the changes. This gives your account proper access again. Now, if this didn't work for you, let's take ownership of the drive. If permissions look correct but access is still denied, ownership may have changed. Just right-click on the C drive. Choose Properties, then go to Security, then Advanced. At the top, check the owner. If it's not your account, click Change and enter your username, then Confirm. Then apply the option to replace ownership on sub-items. This ensures your account fully controls the drive. Now, if else fails, let's check Windows Security settings. Just open Windows Security from the left side on your taskbar. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to Ransomware Protection. Then click on Manage Ransomware Protection. If controlled folder access is enabled, it may block access to system folders. Temporarily turn it off and test again. If access works, you can turn it back on later and adjust settings safely. And of course, checking for a Windows update is not a bad idea, so do it. Just open Settings, go to Windows Update, then check if there is a newer update for your system. If there are, just do them, restart your PC, and try again. And that's how you fix your C drive access denied on a Samsung laptop after an update. Step by step and safely, start with simple checks and only move to advanced fixes if needed. If you're still stuck, leave a comment with your exact error message and I'll try to troubleshoot it. And for more Windows fixes and laptop troubleshooting guides, like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.